ChatGPT today. There's been many updates, but I thought I'd kind of give you an overview of what ChatGPT looks like when you log in. So when you Google ChatGPT, or if you decided to simply go to openai.com/ChatGPT, this is what you get. So ChatGPT made some updates, and right out the gate, ChatGPT is giving you ideas on how to use ChatGPT. I already have an account. I pay for ChatGPT, so I'm going to simply log in, but let me just give you 2 tips. Number one, once you create your account, we're going to make some updates. Number two, you will also want to go to your mobile device and download ChatGPT. They talk so you can see what you've searched for on your mobile device, and then you can go look at what it was on your computer and vice versa. So let's go ahead and log in. So once you're logged into ChatGPT, if you are using it for free, in the top left-hand corner, you're going to see 3.5. If you decide to upgrade, to me, it's worth upgrading. You will see that you have the option for ChatGPT 4 and then ChatGPT Omni. I'm not going to get into those today, but if you are not paying for ChatGPT, you're going to go with 3.5. When you do log into ChatGPT and you've been using it for a while, you're going to see over to the left, I have my history and how I have already used ChatGPT. Because I have my own account that I pay for, you can also see that I've created my own GPT. So I have one called Agent Launchpad, which is actually for new real estate agents that are in the business. Before you hop in and before you get started, go to the top right-hand corner and then click on, here, I'm going to get rid of this pop-up. Click on your initials once you have created your account, and then you will have the ability to look at your plan, any GPTs that you've created, and then you can customize ChatGPT, and then you have settings. The third thing you're going to want to do is click Customize ChatGPT. Custom instructions. What would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide a better response? So this is where you could talk about, where are you based? Who do you work for? What are your hobbies and interests? What subjects can you talk about for hours? Real estate, social media, digital marketing, video. I'm an identical twin. I was going to be a famous clothing designer once upon a time. I could just talk. I can give you strategy. I'm a thinker. So for hours. And then what are some of your goals? So you would put that information here. And then you can also put in, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? How formal or casual should ChatGPT be? I'm probably a little bit more casual. I'm in the real estate world, entrepreneur, fun. Depends on who you talk to. Commercial agents, maybe not so much. How do you want to be addressed? Should ChatGPT have opinions on topics or remain neutral? So again, you're going to want to take a few minutes to make these updates. Now, I cleared it to talk to all of you, and I keep an Evernote of things that I create, and even Google Docs. Down at the bottom, ChatGPT 4 will tell you that you have the ability to turn on the browsing, Dolly, so you can create images and then write code. So again, if you are not paying for ChatGPT, you don't get as many options. So take a few minutes and make that update. Now, can you add extensions, Google extensions? This one is keywords everywhere. So I added that extension. Totally up to you. I would say just get in here and start using it. So what I thought I would do is kind of show you how I use it every single day. So I am going to hop over to a pre-created prompt that I already have. It's a social media prompt. And I truly believe, depending on who you are, we are more likely in the real estate world to generate a lead working with buyers, typically buyers. Do we list properties from social media? Yes. But I just happen to know that I am someone that truly believes right now, I think the median age of a first-time home buyer is close to 36 now, although I know people buy younger. So my goal is to target land. Oh, we'll fix that. To target first-time home buyers. So this was a prompt that I created, and it's a question. Now you're like, well, Carrie, what are you talking about? For those of you that have never used this or ChatGPT, in the top left-hand corner, when I click ChatGPT or this pencil, I can ask ChatGPT questions or prompt. I am prompting ChatGPT to give me a response. This will get easier, and it'll get easier for you to use over time. I would say just get in here and ask questions. So I'm going to use this question or prompt that I've already created. And I actually made it interesting. Create 6 social media posts for a first-time homebuyer to consider home ownership. Target renters that live with their parents and use content around renters paying a landlord's mortgage, and create funny descriptions on what the landlord does with the extra money from the monthly rental payments. Build in a table view with a number column, title, description, and a call to action. Here we go. So I'm going to copy it, hop back over to ChatGPT, and then paste it. And then in seconds, and I'll click enter, I'm going to have a table view, and I'm going to have 6 social media posts targeting tenants and to make them think. Look at that. We are done. So let me challenge you. Get in here, use ChatGPT, leverage it for your business, especially if you're in the real estate space. And then if you test this prompt, now would be a good time to pause this. If you test this prompt, go and check out this video where I show you how to bulk create content using ChatGPT, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Canva. And you can use it for this one. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Carrie Jo Little, pretty much everywhere on Instagram and TikTok. And I look forward to continuing to educate you where you can learn to earn with me.